Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Learn English through picture description. This is a colorful and lively children's bedroom. The walls are painted with light blue vertical stripes. There is a comfortable bed with a purple polka dot blanket. A green pillow with eyes is placed on the bed. A doll is sitting in the center of the bed. A pair of slippers is on the floor beside the bed. There is a yellow and green lamp on the nightstand. The nightstand has 3 drawers. Next to the bed is a large green dresser. The dresser has 5 drawers. A picture frame is placed on top of the dresser. Above the bed, there is a wall shelf. On the shelf, there is a ship model and 2 red toy cars. The wall above the bed has a framed notice board. There is a dinosaur poster on the right wall. A purple shelf with a teddy bear on top stands near the poster. The teddy bear is yellow and smiling. The purple shelf contains colorful books. A small mirror is placed on a wooden study desk. The study desk is orange and has a chair with it. On the desk, there are pencils and papers. There is also a water bottle and a green plant on the desk. A drawing is placed on the desk. A blue glue stick is on the desk as well. The desk has drawers filled with crayons and craft materials. A window with red curtains is on the wall near the desk. Outside the window, a tree and fence are visible. Sunlight is coming in through the window. A blue cap is hanging from the chair. A set of building blocks is scattered on the floor. A yellow toy airplane lies on the blue rug. The rug is square and covers the middle of the room. A colorful ball is placed on the floor in front of the dresser. A puzzle mat with shapes is also on the floor. The floor is tidy despite a few toys lying around. There is a drawer slightly open under the bed. The room looks cheerful and bright. It is well organized and kid-friendly. The red curtains are drawn to one side. The light from the window makes the room look warm. The ship model adds a nautical touch to the decor. The books are arranged neatly in the purple shelf. The doll has brown hair and wears a purple dress. The toy airplane is very detailed. The chair has a wooden finish and no cushion. The green drawers have round handles. The bed has a wooden frame. The wall art and toys show it is a child's room. The room is perfect for playing, studying, and sleeping. Fill in the blanks for practice. Answers are given at the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.